Thanksgiving is near, and as an e-commerce entrepreneur, you've got to be ready for it. You don't want to miss out on profits, right? In the last 2 years alone, customers spent more than $5 billion on Thanksgiving. And you can also take a piece of that pie. Watch this video till the end, and you'll learn about 22 hot products with 3-day shipping around the US, so you can make it rain this Thanksgiving. You're watching Sellvia channel. You can follow the links to the products in the top right corner, and also in the description of this video. Let's begin. The first product on our list is going to be 5.4 fluid ounces Thermo Bowl. Thanksgiving isn't only about a turkey meal, but also about drinks, right? Enjoy your drink, dessert, or anything the way it's supposed to be enjoyed with this bowl. A special double wall design ensures that whatever is in the bowl keeps its temperature for long. And it looks so cool. Second product is Eco Coconut Kitchen Cleaning Brush. It's good to go to gatherings and meet with your loved ones. But at the end of the party, there's going to be someone who has to clean up after everyone. Why not be a responsible adult and offer an eco-friendly, biodegradable, and economical brush? Product number 3. Eco Coconut 2-Pack Scrub Pads. Also, you can offer scrub pads for extra convenience and ease. These are made from coconuts, and it makes them a perfect alternative to the synthetic, conventional scouring pads. Product number 4. Bread Crumb Catcher. No one likes to wipe the breadcrumbs. You can't convince me otherwise. One of our hottest Thanksgiving items is this bread crumb catcher. There's no need to wipe the annoying crumbs from the table, trying to keep it clean. And by the way, the base of the product can be a beautiful bread tray. Product number 5. Petite Bamboo Bowl. If you know someone who has a kid, this bowl is the perfect gift for Thanksgiving. It's designed to be easy to use for adults. Made from natural materials, it's durable and free from chemicals, which makes it a safer alternative for little ones. There's no place for compromise when it comes to kids' products. Product number 6. Bamboo Mug. Replace your plastic cup with this bamboo cup. It works perfectly for both hot and cold drinks, doesn't alter the taste, and is eco-friendly and free from harmful chemicals. Sustainably handcrafted with love and attention. A perfect gift for anyone. Product number 7. Perfect Pink Cat Tea Tray. Cat lover or not, no one likes tea bags dripping on the table. This tea tray is a must-have for any house, because there's nothing more annoying than wiping tea from the table, especially if it gets dry. Cute, handy, dandy, and durable. The perfect tea companion. Product number 8. Regan Ceramic Teapot and Infuser. For the days when bagged tea isn't it? It's a must to have a good teapot to make sure tea leaves give all their magic to the water. And this ceramic teapot is not just good, it's amazing. The rightly engineered design allows the tea to open up the way it should, resulting in a divine taste. Product number 9. 4-inch by 2-inch snack dish. What things to make for Thanksgiving, whether that's dressings, dips, desserts. This porcelain beauty can do it all effortlessly. Free from toxic ingredients and made with consideration, it'll be serving for a long time. Tableware has been in stable demand basically forever, but since Thanksgiving is tightly connected with food, selling it during the holiday season, along with cleaning supplies, is a great idea. Product number 10. Sushi Toi. Teach little ones some table manners and let them feel like cool chefs with this Sushi Toi set. Made from wood, they contain no harmful chemicals and are painted using non-toxic paint, so you can be sure about their safety. Product number 11. Carrot Rattle. Lightweight and durable, this little toy is hand-knit with attention and care. When shaken, it rattles, which makes it a great toy to occupy the little ones. Product number 12. Traveling Toy Set. If you know a little traveling enthusiast, this toy set will bring them a ton of joy. An RV, a bus, a traffic cone, and a speed limit sign. How cool is that? Children's toys experience greater demand by the end of the year, and it's also an awesome idea to stock up on some. Product number 13. Bronze Mini Taper Holder. If you have candles, you need something to put them in. This taper holder is minimalistic and is suitable for any interior design. Nothing wild, just class as it is. Product number 14. Rechargeable house-shaped LED humidifier. Fall and winter are not the ones to play. Dry air has no mercy on our nasal health, skin, and overall well-being. Having a humidifier in such weather is a must, and this house-shaped one is an awesome helper. Product number 15. Self-watering hanging flower pot. Forget about watering the plants and constantly worrying about whether this time your plant will survive or not. The self-watering flower pot will take care of the plants for you. Add water in it once in a while and never worry again. Product number 16. Spearmint Essential Oil. Another cool Thanksgiving thing. Make your space smell divine, get rid of viruses, treat your headaches, or relax. This essential oil is amazing for any of these purposes. Tested and proven to be safe. Nothing but benefits from Mother Nature. Product number 17. Sweet Orange Essential Oil. If you'd like something sweeter, Sweet Orange Essential Oil is just as awesome. Add it to your air humidifier, shower, bath, and dive into the exciting tropical scent whenever and wherever. Everyone wants to make their home look festive and fun when it comes to holidays, and search statistics prove it. Product number 18. Eat Pizza Thanksgiving Toddler Hoodie. Add a bit more irony and humor to the Thanksgiving celebration this year with this Eat Pizza hoodie for toddlers. Made in the USA, comfortable, soft, and feels just right on the little one's skin. Product number 19. Eat the Ham Thanksgiving Kids Jersey Long Sleeve T-Shirt. Another funny T-shirt has the same message as the previous one. You can offer both of them for siblings to wear. Product number 20. Thanksgiving Unisex Heavy Blend Hoodie. Talking about irony and humor, here's another hoodie we can't miss. It's universal and anyone can enjoy it, just like a good joke. Made with responsibility and care, you can be sure wearing it will be a satisfying experience. Product number 21. Men's Friendsgiving T-shirt with curved hem. If you know someone who loves watching Friends, this T-shirt is an immaculate find. Holiday merch with your favorite TV show. How amazing is that? Crafted with consciousness and care in the USA, this Thanksgiving T-shirt is really giving. Product number 22. Thanksgiving Cooking Squad Unisex Baseball T-shirt. Thanksgiving is truly a team effort. Why not give all your cooking team members long sleeves with the same print so you can feel even more united? Holiday merch is something you should not overlook. It's exciting, cool, and can drastically improve the entire mood of celebrations and unite people. Don't stay in the back this holiday season. Offer high-quality, truly nice products to your customers and enjoy your holiday season even more. You can import all these and other products from Sellvia catalog into your website with a few clicks and process them with a few clicks when you get an order. All the products get shipped around the US within 3 business days, so you can be confident that your customers will be satisfied. If you don't have a store, that's also okay. Specify your preferences and receive a turnkey store ready to make Thanksgiving sales immediately from the Sellvia team. Sounds cool. Book a free consultation with us and learn about how you can work with Sellvia this holiday season and beyond. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't hesitate to hit these like and subscribe buttons. Leave your comments and questions down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.